Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the carrying case for the DJI OM5. I recently did an unboxing for the DJI OM5. It is a phone stabilizer, also known as a gimbal, that will help you when you are filming, shooting footage for your YouTube videos or for your own personal memories or anything that you record videos for. So the DJI OM5, in that unboxing, if you haven't watched it, I will link it above or below, below for sure. But this is the case that it came with. So it does come with something, but as you can see, this is just a cloth case that you could put everything inside. So here's the main piece of the gimbal. So as you can see, you could slip that in here and then put the rest of your things in here as well. Now for traveling, we're going to be on a plane, we're going to be walking around theme parks, we're going to be all over Florida, going to the beach, all of that. I didn't feel like this would be safe or really protect our gimbal. So I decided to order. So this is a separate purchase, separate cost. This is the actual case, carrying case made for the DJI OM5. So let's take a look at it. I will have this linked, both the DJI OM5 and the carrying case I will have linked below if you are interested. Okay, so right away, I do want to point out this is a hard case. So this already makes me feel like my gimbal will be more protected than in the other case. So it has this handle on the top if you just want to grab it and go like that. And then I believe inside, yes, here's the hook. So inside we should have a strap that we can attach. So let's get this unzipped. The zipper does stick in a few places, I'm noticing. Okay, here's our handle or strap. So you can just put this, of course, clip it here and here, and then you have this to throw over your shoulder or even across your body. That's probably how I plan to carry it on the days that we're out adventuring. I'll probably just carry it cross body. And then I also have a fanny pack and then a Patagonia kind of backpack that one also goes across, but then the bag part is in the back. So I won't do the Patagonia bag and the fanny pack at the same time. Probably I'll pick one or the other depending on what that day will hold, and then probably just carry this crossbody. Okay, so this one, as you can see, this is why it is specifically made for the OM5. It has a place for every piece. So let's test it out here. Okay, yeah, you can even see there's a place right here for where the main control button would go. There we go. Okay, that's nice. I think I have it right. It falls down to the bottom more here than it does here, but I think that's probably because, does this stick out farther? That does stick out a little bit farther, I think. Oops. Okay, yeah, so I think it is like that. Just want to make sure. And then here is the tripod extension that you can add to the bottom of your gimbal, and that fits nicely right there. Here is the mount where you would put this on your phone to attach it to the gimbal, and that fits right there. And then the charging cord. I'll probably have to go back and watch my own unboxing because I can't remember if the charging cord came with, like, sometimes they have those little velcro straps or something, or if it had a twisty or anything. If not, I can't, because I might have misplaced it if it did, but if it doesn't, I might grab like a small rubber band or a ponytail holder just to be able to keep this together. But this should be able to somewhat fit in there. There we go. And then up at the top here, there is an extra little pouch. If I don't prefer this here, I might just throw that up there. But this is also a place you could put your phone in there. It's not very big, but other small items could go up here if needed. The attachment as well, maybe. It didn't come with one, I don't think. Again, I'll have to go back and watch my own unboxing. We've been in the pre-vacation chaos around here, so I could have just misplaced a couple things. But this, of course, would need a plug-in for the wall if you're going to charge it via the wall. So that one of those little square things, one of those could probably fit in here as well, depending on how big it is. So that's your extra little pouch, and then everything fits snug in here. So then you can zip it up and take it with you on the go. And this is pretty, yeah, I mean, I can feel it moving around in there a little bit, but the fact that each component has its own space, I think will hold it in place pretty well just on the trip when you're traveling and running around. All right, there you guys go. I do plan to probably do like a review video of both the DJI OM5, just reviewing how we liked it when we actually are going to be using it on a vacation here, as we get used to it, kind of how to use it. And then I'll probably go ahead and do a review video of the case, because this is just kind of to show you what it is, to show you how it fits and everything that comes with it. But I would like to share with you how it goes after we really put it to the test, after we travel with it, walk around with it, go on adventures with it. So I'll plan to do that just to share a little bit more with you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Do you guys have any DJI OM products, any gimbals, any of their cases? I'd love to hear from you. Comment below, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.